Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can change country in your Google Play Store. Now, from your Google Play Store, you want to go to the profile section up here. And then on the profile section up here, go to settings. Now on settings, go to general, account preferences, and notification. Now from here, go to account and device preference. Click on this. Now, once here, scroll down and you'll have to find the country and profile section. But you can see right now, this is just a section, right? There's no way for me to actually change the country because Google have a rule that where if you change your country within the last 12 months, you won't be able to change it again until another 12 months has passed. So you can only change it annually. And unfortunately, I have recently changed the country of my account, so I can't properly show you the option here. But I will flash on the screen right now what the option should look like. It'll look like this, right? So if you have that option, you just have to click it. But if you don't, unfortunately, you will have to wait another 12 months before you can change it again. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.